Good morning, everybody. Once again, we're coming to you from my game room upstairs in my house. We're going to do math. Hope everybody had a good spring break. Maybe you got the adventure to your backyard. Maybe you found something new to do while staying away from others. Last time we had a video, we were finishing up our last chapter of that unit. So now we're going to start geometry this week. So some couple key points I want to go over before we get into everything are how to identify different line segments and vertexes and the numbers and what the angles are called. So one important feature we should know is the vertex. This is something I'm sure you covered last year, is the point where 2 points meet. If you look at this example, we have A, B, and C. We're trying to find where both of these points meet to find the vertex. We know that A runs to B and C also runs to B. So our vertex of this problem would be B. Another thing we need to know is the symbol for angle. It's almost similar to the less than symbol. All right, we'll go over one of the examples, then we'll go over one more. If you need to, you can pause the videos as we're going through to try to figure them out on your own and then continue to play them. So we want to find the name of this angle. So we have point X, Y, Z. And in the middle, you see there's a 1 here. You can place any number there when you're creating your own. So we want to find the name of the two angles here. So we have two angles. One angle would be X to Y and Y to Z. So we have X, Y, Z. We want to find one more angle. Now we know we can go the opposite way. We can go Z to Y and Y to X, and we'll have Z, Y, X. So we have two angles, angle X, Y, Z, and angle Z, Y, X. Now the vertex of this one, very similar to this one. Where do these points meet? So we have X to Y and Z to Y. So our vertex of this problem would be Y. Now the number of this angle. What is the number that we see inside? We see a 1. So our angle 1. Okay, what type of angle is this? This was put in my notes. We went over acute, obtuse, right, and straight angles. Right now we know that this angle is less than 90 degrees, so it makes it an acute angle. All right, for our second example, we'll go over this one. If you want to, pause it throughout and try to figure these out on your own, and the answers will come up. So first we need to find the angles. So we have A, B, and C, and then the number 2. So what would our two angles be? Remember, first we put our angle symbol. So we have angle A to B, B to C. So we have angle A, B, C, and then we have angle C to B, B to A. So C, B, A. Vertex. What is the vertex? Remember, it's the point where 2 points meet. So we have A to B and C to B. So A to B, B to C. So our vertex would be B. All right, what is our number in this one? Now look around. All right, we see that we have the number 2 here. So it would be angle number 2. What type of angle is this? Is this an obtuse, acute, right, straight? Well, it's definitely not a straight, right? If we had a straight, it would go this way. An acute, less than 90. And obtuse would be more than 90. So we're left with a right angle. I hope this helped, and in order for me to become YouTube famous, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel, and then I can become a millionaire.